Hello and a very good morning to all of you. So, in this series, I'll be covering other left questions of final entrepreneurship development MCQs. Okay, so let's start with the questions. Sorry, this one. Okay, so our question is IFCI has been converted into our options are A public enterprise, B partnership firm, C joint stock company, and D soil proprietorship. So the right answer will be B, C, sorry, which is joint stock company. Our next question. Which of the following is micro-environmental factor? A, economic, B, customer, C, political, and D, all of the above. The right answer will be B, which is customer. Next question. Increasing trend of online retailing is an example of which environment? Our options are A, economic, B, political, C, technological, and D, cultural. So the right answer will be C, technological. It is about technology, increase in technology causing increasing trend of online retailing. Next question. Dash can be defined as a specifically evolved work plan tends to achieve a specific objective within a specific period of time. A, market survey, B, project summary, C, project, and D, strategy. So the right answer will be C option, which is project. Dash is the expenses incurred on the setting up of the enterprise. Our options are A, cost of promotion, cost of financing, cost of fixed assets, and D is cost of current assets. So the right answer will be option B, which is cost of financing, is the expenses up incurred on the setting up the enterprise. Next question. A private corporation means A. Company can be started by only two members, B. Government company, C. Statutory corporation, D. Department of Union government. So, for private corporation means A. Company can be started by only two members. It means the minimum number of members required for starting a private corporation is only two. Next question. Social entrepreneur is a person who A takes part in the incorporation of a company, B is a director, C is a relative of the managing director, D works to enhance living standard of the society. So the right answer will be D works to enhance the living standard of the society. Next question. Personal touch is the property of which type of business firm? Our options are A sole proprietorship, B partnership, C joint Hindu family firm, D cooperative society. So the right answer, the personal touch word is used for the A sole proprietorship. Next question. Agency relation is the property of which type of business firm? A sole proprietorship, C B partnership, C joint Hindu family firm, and D cooperative society. So the right answer will be B partnership. Next question. The term internal vitality is used in relation to. Our options are A sole proprietorship, B partnership, C joint stock companies, and D cooperative societies. So the right answer will be option D, which is cooperative society. Cooperative societies have few characteristics like internal vitality and open membership. Next question. Open membership is the characteristic of which type of organization? A sole proprietorship, B partnership, C joint Hindu family firm, and D cooperative society. So the right answer will be cooperative society, which is D option. Which is the merit of cooperative organization? A. Misuse of funds, B. Democratic funding, C. Limited capital, and D. Lack of managerial skills. So the right answer will be option B, which is democratic funding, which is the advantage of being in a cooperative organization. Next question. Which of the following sources owner source of finance? Our options are A. Equity shares, B. Debentures, C. Loans from banks, and D. Public deposits. So the right answer for this will be A, equity shares. Next question. Dash is a problem solving technique designed to produce numerous ideas in a short period. Our options are synectics. Option B is Delphi method, C focus group, and D brainstorming. So brainstorming is a problem solving technique designed to produce a number of methods for in short amount of time. Next question. The T in pestle analysis refers to A time, B training, C technology, D talent. So T is in pestle analysis refers to technology. Which of the following securities proves a burden on finances of the company when company is not earning profits? Our options are A. Equity shares, B. Debentures, C. Redeemable preference shares, and D. Preference shares. So the right answer will be B. Debentures. They are considered as a burden on the finances of the company. Next question. Which cost is estimated on the basis of the year when the enterprises breaks even and also included in the project costs? So the right answer will be B, which is working capital. What is the role of a business angel? Our option is to provide small business advice, to provide capital for business development in exchange for a stake in the business ownership, to set up a franchisee business, or D, all the above. So the right answer will be to provide capital for business development in exchange for a stake in business ownership. Next question. District industry centers are located in each. Our options are A district, B state, C block, and D all of these. So the right answer will be A, which is district. Seed capital assistance is a long term, B initial, C short term, and D all the above. So the right answer will be B initial. The relation of ordinary shares to preference share capital and loan capital is described as the relation of ordinary shares to preference share capital and loan capital is described as capital structure, cost of capital, and capital gearing. So the right answer will be option B, which is capital structure. The possibility of some unfavorable occurrence in the business is called as A. Invention, B. Innovation, C. Risk, and D. Creativity. So the right answer will be C option, which is risk. The entrepreneur's dash depends on his perception of the opportunity. Our options are A. Commitment to opportunity, B. Commitment of resources, C. Strategic orientation, and D. None of these. So the right answer will be A. Commitment to opportunity. The resistance of employees in an organization against flexibility, growth, and diversification can be overcome by developing A. Entrepreneurship, B. Entrepreneurship, C. Administrator, and D. Manager. So the right answer will be A. Entrepreneurship. Next. What is the minimum financial interest in share capital of woman entrepreneur in the enterprise? Our options are A 51%, B 60%, C 49%, and D 33%. So the right answer will be A 51%. Next question. Dash means raising funds in the business from the issue of shares. Our options are A personal finance, B equity finance, C preference share, and D public finance. So the right answer for this will be B equity finance. So the right answer will be B, which is equity finance. Next question. When an entrepreneur raises the funds by acquiring the assets is called as A personal finance, B lease finance, C preference share, and D public finance. So the right answer will be A personal finance. Next question. Which is an effective way to bring stakeholders together to discuss the project? Our options are A business meeting, B kickoff meeting, C launching meeting, and D all of the above. So the most effective way through which we can bring all the stakeholders together to discuss the project is A business meeting. Which technique is used to determine whether a project or activity is feasible by weighing the monetary cost of doing the project or activity versus the benefits? Our options are A cost minimization analysis, B cost benefit analysis, C cost effective analysis, and D all the above. So the right answer will be option B, which is cost benefit analysis. Next question. Which of the following investment is the most risky investment? Equity shares, preference shares, C land, and D debentures. So the right answer will be D debentures. An investor who puts his own finance into the growth of a small business at an early stage is called as angel investor, public investor, venture capital investor. D none. So an investor who puts his own finance into the growth of a small business at an early stage? So the right answer will be option C, which is venture capital investor. Next, which of the following is the oldest form of business? Our options are A, sole proprietorship, B, partnership, C, joint stock company, and D, cooperative undertaking. Oldest form of business is option A, which is sole proprietorship. Which of the following is not a part of entrepreneurial behavior? Solving problems, B, taking initiatives, taking responsibility, and dictatorship. So the right answer will be option D, which is dictatorship. Which of the following source is not used for medium term financing? Our options are A, equity shares, B, debentures, C, debt, and D, all the above. So the right answer will be A, which is equity shares, not used for medium term financing. We can't use equity shares for medium term financing. Equity shares are also called as ordinary shares, okay, in which the person will get some profits, but not they are not the preferential shares. Next question. It means business risk can be A, avoided, B, reduced, C, ignored, and D, erased. Business risk can be reduced, which is incorrect regarding venture capital. It provides financial report to the entrepreneurs. It bears high rate. It bears high reward from success. It bears low risk. So the right answer will be it bears high risks. Which type of finance is also known as self finance? Equity finance, debt finance, retained profits, and D, personal finance. So the right answer will be personal finance. Next question. Which capital is required for acquisition of land and machine? A, working capital, B, fixed capital, C, debenture capital, and D, none of these. So the right answer will be fixed capital. Next question. Which capital is required for day-to-day operation? A, fixed capital, B, working capital, C, debenture, and D, all the above. So the right answer will be capital is used for the day-to-day operations. Next question, which is correct regarding working capital? A, it is relatively liquid capital. It is required for holding current assets. C, it meets expenses on sales. And D, all of the above. So the right answer will be D, all the above, that it is relatively liquid capital. It is required for holding current assets and it meets expenses on the sales. So that's it. So these are the questions which I'll be covering for the AKTU purpose, because they have provided us with some of the question and it is very important to solve all the questions. Okay, and they are very important. So that's all my topic is covered. And if you want to see the MCQ questions, a very important MCQ questions of other subjects like digital image processing and data compression, you can see the links in the description box, and you can also see the previous videos of entrepreneurship development MCQs in in my description box. I'll share the link with all of you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.